Hello friend, so how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video, how to make flower, this type flower, how to make using Python from Python coding. So I am Amarjeet, now you are watching expert coding. So do you want to know how to make this type flower from Python coding? Then watch full video, don't skip video. So then let let's go our desktop screen and open your PyCharm and create your class. Already I am created class. So b.python bpython.py. So here first import turtle as char. Next import colors as cs. Then tar setup. Then tar setup. Then tar speed. Then tar speed. Then tar tracer. Then bg color. Not with then bg color, and here for loop, rotate for loop, and again I take for loop. So when I take for loop, and here color and right and circle and circle left, then again then circle with right left, then give, again take right and circle, and my program is completed, successfully completed. Now I'm going to run this program. So right click and run the program. You can see this is very good looking, it's so beautiful flower. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. So I hope you will be understood. So thank you friends.